Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to transfer the ownership of your Google Drive to another account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to transfer your Google Drive from one account to another account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and hit enter, and then you'll be redirected to your drive. But first you'll be required to log into your Google account with which you're accessing the drive currently. And after that, after logging into your drive on your browser, first select the folder for a process, and after selecting a folder, right click over there and you can see the share button available over here. Click on share, and after that, first in order to transfer your ownership to somebody else, first you'll be required to grant them access to the editor. And you can see I have granted my another account the editor access, and it's available over here. Now to transfer the ownership of this Google Drive, you can simply click on over here which says the editor beside over here, and you will be able to find the transfer ownership button available. If you click on over there like this, and you can see you'll be able to transfer your Google Drive to your another account. If you send an invitation, and you can see it says you will be the owner until this person accept the ownership, and simply click on invitation, and after the guy whom you or the account on which you send the email accept the invitation, the another account which you had sent the email will be the owner, and but until then you will be the owner. And there guys, this is how you transfer your Google Drive from one account to another. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.